In a customer upload situation, how do we get the file after an order is placed? Always you will have, for any e-commerce user, any e-commerce platform, in the order dashboard of that e-commerce, you will always find information from Customily. That includes any text that was input, any selection of color, font, etc., the link to download the preview from Customily, the link to download the print file, and the link to download whatever original image was uploaded. So you always have the backup information of the images that your customers uploaded. If we go, for example, in this case, I do have a couple of orders here, and you can see if I pick this, I will see that inside the order, I have all the details of Customily. So I have the Customily preview, the thumbnail, the URL if I want to open this on the product, the print file, and the two images I uploaded. So if I click on the preview, I will see what the customer saw on the front end. They saw this. Then, if I click on the production URL, I will see what the fulfillment needed to print that. And if they need to adjust anything at all, the original image is here when it says upload your photo. That's the original image. So everything gets stored in the e-commerce order dashboard. And for Shopify users, we have the order dashboard here. This is a order backup manager. Right now, it will not show my orders because they are from some time ago. But in any case, orders done with Customily will show up in here. Obviously, here you will see all the orders from your e-commerce, including or not including Customily. But everything is backup exactly. You see, when it says type the song name, you also see what the customer typed and what they selected at each point.